Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to return an American Eagle order. First, go to ae.com, the official American Eagle website. Use the search bar and type returns. Click on the link that says Start a Return or Exchange. Enter your order number and email address. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your return and get your return label. You can also return your items to a local American Eagle store if you prefer. And that's it. That's how to return an American Eagle order. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.